Hey friends, it's your girl here, Tanisha, at successlevelcoaching.com, and learn with Tanisha.info. So are you in Vita Divina and you're like, I need Vita Divina to launch? Vita Divina has been trying to launch for 3 months now. I know some people that are in Vita Divina and they left because they can't make money, no products. They got products on the website, but you can't buy them and you can't sell them, and they're still building big teams for free. And I feel like that the company is stringing people along, telling people that they're gonna launch, and they want the reps to be have integrity, but it's not about that. MLM takes time to get approved by the government, so there's a lot of paperwork that goes with this. So if you in Vita Divina and you hoping and praying and wishing that it launches in August or September or even October, and you're waiting and you have this team, you need to look into affiliate marketing. Okay, now affiliate marketing is a way for you to promote other people's products, digital products, not product based, digital product, not physical product, in order for you to earn a commission, whether it's 50% commission, 100% commission, 20% commission, whatever it is. So I'm introduced to the 4% group. The 4% group is an educational platform, okay, that's going to teach you how to market your business. Okay, we have 5 different income streams. We have 5 different affiliate inside of the 4%. Now the 4% group is $49 a month. For every person that you refer, every person that comes to your sales funnel, you make $22 every single month. Okay, and you get a check every single week. Okay, so it's not a physical product, it's a digital product where they're teaching online marketing. Okay, they're teaching sales funnels, they're teaching Facebook ads, they're teaching blogging, they're teaching YouTube, they're teaching how to go from 0 to 100,000 in 90 days. So if you're in Vita Divina and you're still struggling to make money, because if the company has not launched yet, you're not making money, right? So you are struggling, especially if you're waiting on this to launch. Then you need an affiliate program, and the 4% group can definitely help you, to gain some income right now for you and your team. You and your team can start to learn, affiliate marketing, online marketing, so you guys can bring in some income, because it doesn't make any sense for you to hope and pray and wish that this is going to launch and it's not launching yet, right? I know a lot of people went over there, but a lot of people also left because they can't make money. You got to feed your kids and you got to pay your bills. So, if you want, guys, to learn affiliate marketing and you in Vita Divina and it's not working out right now, you can't push any products, you can't, only thing you can do is sell a dream for free, definitely, guys, click on the link below so you can get in the 4% group. Okay, so you can learn how $49 can help you earn 50% commission every single month, as long as your teammates continue to pay the $49 a month. As long as you continue to pay the $49 a month, you would make $22 for everybody. So if you got 10 people, you do the math. You got 5 people, you got 1,000 people paying $49 a month. You do the math with that, my friend. So we're over here, we're teaching people affiliate marketing. If you're in Vita Divina and it ain't launched yet, you're hoping and praying, wishing God start you an affiliate business so that you can have some income coming in, right? And not be so stressed out about Vita Divina and hoping and praying that it actually launch, guys. So click on the link below, guys. See you soon.